Maybe. Okay. Yeah, let's go. Let's do it.
I mean, it's 1-1, so this is the tiebreaker.
Yep. For the whole thing.
Whole thing.
For this week, anyways.
Nope, this means whoever wins is the ultimate champion for life.
Oh man.
I don't really like
It's a
that
lot of
idea.
pressure. Yeah.
Lambs to slaughter. Tremble, mortals! Chaos marauders! Very well! Chaos marauders!
Very well.
Command us! Yes, chieftain!
Oh, you know what? That's why.
Chaos marauders! Your will! That's the master speed! Chaos marauders! What do the gods desire? Chaos good! Wulfric the Wanderer! Wulfric the Wanderer!
This is going to be so much goddamn micro. I'm ready whenever then.
I'm almost ready. I just need to figure out where we're going.
Chaos marauders!
Hold on a second, my mom's calling me.
No worries.
Chaos comes! I'll take heads! Yes!
Okay. I am ready to go.
Let's do it.
Damn, that's a wide army.
Damn, you're like all the way in the back.
With flying units.
Did you bring the sisters? Nah, you didn't. I
No way.
kind of thought you might.
Nah. You have to build the whole army around the sisters if you bring them, so
Yeah.
that's like,
Yes, chieftain!
I don't know.
Quick!
They're very good, but I've also used them a lot. This is kind of a new idea.
Chaos marauders! For the blood god!
I might be in some trouble.
Slay every mortal!
See a lot of range.
So be it! For chaos!
Are you going to do it or not there?
Do what?
Nah, this freaking character.
Ooh, that was a good.
On demands! Quickly now! On demands! Faster!
4? Yeah, 4. And 3? Where are you? Damn it, I'm losing track of my... Nope. Losing track of groups.
We serve the gods! Do not scatter! For the blood god! Arthur!
Dude, why don't we just continue to get frickin' jacked up there? How's that sound?
Where's the enemy?
Now, this is not going well. I can tell that already.
Wulfric the Wanderer!
I don't know. You have those big flying units.
Who are not doing what I told them to do.
Chaos! Chaos!
Wolfric.
Ah, that's not a good one. Come on, Keith.
That's what the master's been! Bring us to carnage! Scouts for my arm! Obeying! For chaos! Mortal fool! Yes!
Dude, can you not get into combat when you're supposed to be a missile unit?
I don't know about. I don't know.
Wulfric the Wanderer! Sar Wushra! Wulfric the Wanderer! Ready to murder! So be it! The forest does not rest! The inescapable one! The forest
Where are you? Come on. Frickin' do it. No, you stay there. God damn it! Just one of you. I just want the one of you.
Your will give us carnage! We're good!
Ooh, that's a good one.
Prepare to ruin! Onward! Moving out!
I think your cavalry play is going to win it for you.
For chaos!
Maybe. We will see.
Darkness free! Quick! Hunter of men! Backing!
I don't know. It doesn't feel like I'm winning yet. I'm not sure.
Bring carnage! Blood!
Oh, I am wasting this unit. Come on.
Blood god! A bloodbath in wait! Yes, I will! I'll abide! So be it! Eat your
And he breaks. That's not good.
Move on them! Trample on all! Kill them! Kill them all!
Oh, come on. We've got infantry. Keep going.
Chaos Marauders! Charge! Now! Run! What? My God's call! Kill the Southerners! Attack the mortals!
Oh man.
Order the tribe! Fight! The gods demand it!
I do have a meaty infantry thing in the center there, but your cavalry is just... I don't know if I'm going to be able to do anything.
That's what the masters did! Where's the enemy? Fight!
There we go. There goes Wolfric. That's what I wanted to see.
Yes, Lord! Chaos Marauders! Now is our time!
I don't think I can do anything with those Sylvan Knights, although they are low.
Yeah, they are pretty low. It still has the balance of power in your favor, though. And I have like people retreating still for some weird reason.
Oh, Jesus, come on. Yep, just got close to the Sylvan Knights and just decided to break. Now, this is... How is this in
Why
my
is the balance of power
favor?
all in your favor?
I
That's what
don't
I'm
have
saying, yeah.
any idea. Oh, shit! That's why. Holy shit. Oh, shit,
You have
that's
a
why.
unit hidden somewhere? Oh, you have a whole bunch of units hidden back there. Damn, that's not good.
I kind of wish I had known that ahead of time. I don't know how...
I think you're still gonna be able to do it. I don't know. I'll have to see. Yeah, they're all breaking now. Oh man, I thought it was gonna be a win. It's just units in the back. Oh man,
I mean, I literally was like,
that
there's
was
no
wild.
possible way. But that explains it. I mean, those skin wolves they're a pretty
Yeah,
decent balance of power thing, and they were just sitting there recovering health the whole time.
man. I don't know. I was gonna say one less, but like I got so many points out of all those horses. So like, I don't know. And the archers both did really well.
My two
So
berserkers did amazing. My
oh
missile
yeah, look
cab
at
did
that.
okay. Yeah, the manticores,
Yeah,
I
the
dropped
skin
them
wolves
down and
did good.
completely lost track of them. But Wolford did okay.
Yeah, yeah. He 2,000 on
Ooh,
foot. He was on foot, right?
yeah, your Sylvan
That's
Knights
the
did
way to bring Wolford.
amazing.
I know those are like, but I feel like they need to be supported because by themselves they're not that amazing.
Mm.
So like maybe not double way watchers, maybe the ones that are closer range that shoot two. The armor piercing is nice. I don't know. You didn't
I
bring very many You didn't bring the armored skin wolves, so
Yeah, I never do. They're too slow, and I don't think the armor gives you as much.
I did also consider bringing flying, the hawk riders, but it's a good thing I didn't because then the manticores would have gotten them. So like that would have just removed my range.
Yeah,
So
so I brought the Manticores for A, the sisters, and then B for the Hawk Riders. But you didn't like them last time, so I didn't think you were going to bring them, but I was sure you were going to bring the sisters.
no,